Good morning, everyone. There is an inner critic inside us that tell us or guide us that we cannot do these things or we cannot achieve these things. That inner critical voice, that is the inner critical voice inside us. That inner critical voice might be generated from a person's reference, from somebody else, from somebody in your relationship. So might be that voice is coming from that person. So we must try to learn to mute these kind of voices that are coming from somebody else. So how we can learn to mute these kind of voices or sounds is that we should try to listen to those words or sounds in a way the comedian speaks. So how the comedian behaves, that he behaves in a very funny manner. So we must listen to those words or voices of somebody else reference, just listen to it in a very funny way, in a funny manner. With this kind of exercise we can mute those kind of outer sounds or outer voices that we have taken from somebody else in our life. So this way we can generate our own inner voice, or we can have our own inner voice that speaks from our heart. And also, as well as, we must make some affirmations that suits us. Every person has a different kind of life, different kind of struggles. So for everyone there are different kind of affirmations. So we must make an affirmation or speaks that affirmation regularly in the way we are feeling or we are feeling our experiences. So might one example, for example, if we are not feeling good enough about our past, or we are feeling ashamed about our past, so we can speak an affirmation that I am proud of my life as it is. I am proud of my life as it is. In this way we can move on from the past, and we can switch our life to the present. And one more affirmation, like if you are feeling very hopeless, there is no hope in your life, so we can speak or make an affirmation like I have every reason for optimism, I have every reason for optimism. This way that affirmation guide us or train us in the order or in the direction we want it to be. And one more affirmation is that, like you are feeling that life is passing you by, so we can make an affirmation like I am more and more keenly alive and lively. I am more and more keenly alive and lively. This way, these affirmations jumps our attention to the present moment, and we can train our mind and body in the way we want it to be. So try to have some kind of affirmation that suits your experiences of life, and regularly practice on that. Make them on journal, and speak out them loudly. Thank you.